Matagal na nating pinapangarap na magkaroon ng balay ng alumni dito sa Diliman Preparatory School. At sa wakas, nagkaroon na po tayo ng isang magandang kwarto at ito po ay maaaring bisitahin ng ating mga alumni. Maghanda sila ng kanilang mga programa, bawat klase. Mahigit na 17,000 ang alumni ng Diliman Preparatory School sa loob ng 45 taon magmula ng ating pagtatag. Kaya hindi po tayo mauubusan ng mga alumni na matagumpay sa kanilang iba't ibang mga profesyon, mga negosyo, mga karera. Kaya inaasahan po natin, bisitahin niyo po ang inyong mga dating mga guro, ang inyong dating paaralan na naging simula ng inyong mga lakbayin papunta sa tagumpay sa inyong kasalukuyan kinaroroonan. We welcome all the alumni to come to visit Diliman Preparatory School again, both Commonwealth Avenue and the Mindanao Avenue campus.
We prepared for the office for 1 month. Ang dami kong mga kinausap na tao to get the different yung mga gamit na kailangan, like yung mga tables. I talked to PPO. Ang laki ng utang na loob ko sa PPO for everything here. And sila rin yung tumulong sa akin para mahanap yung mga pictures, yung mga faculty pictures na nakikita nyo ngayon, at yung paghahanap din ng mga yearbook. Maraming salamat din sa library sa pagbibigay nila ng mga yearbook na ito. At thank you rin po sa mga admin natin na sumuporta mula po sa konsepto pa lang nitong opisina nito hanggang sa inauguration ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Kung unang naging proyekto ko ay yung Facebook group na itinayo ko. At ngayon ay meron akong mga kulang-kulang mga 300 na mga members. At yun, nag-uumpisa na kaming mag-usap-usap, mag-communicate. At paplanuhin na rin namin yung alumni homecoming natin sa November 28 ngayong taon bilang part ng 45th anniversary ng Diliman Prep. Yun ang first major project ng Alumni Association. Sa Alumni Homecoming din namin bubuin ang official na Board of Trustees ng organization, pagbobotohan ng mga officers, at mula doon ay paplanuhin na rin po namin ang mga susunod namin mga proyekto. Mas marami pa po.
Thank Jason for inviting me here. He's actually my former colleague back in high school. So far, I've seen a lot of improvements here at Diliman Preparatory School. The facilities has evolved. The teachers has been dynamic, just going with the flow when it comes to the quality of education. And I can say that right now here in Quezon City, I recommend Diliman Preparatory School as one of the educational institutions that can pioneer probably preparing students in their future. I'm proud to be a graduate of Diliman Preparatory School. I'm batch 2002 in high school. And I'm 29 years old.
The inauguration of Balay Alumni is really a good start because now we know where to begin with. This is the first time that we'll be organizing our Alumni Association because every time we would be needing a commencement speaker in the previous years, we couldn't locate them because most of them are abroad and very successful in each one's chosen career. But this time, since we have a Balay alumni, which is being handled by Mr. Jason Chris, I can see a light. I'm very hopeful that we can unite, we can bond all the graduates of Diliman Preparatory School from 1970s up to the 21st century. So keep up the good work and God bless you all.
Hi, I am Jolly Dolor Geronimo. I am also known as Nurse Jolly here in DPS. I belong to DPS Alumni Batch 1984. To date, I am in my 21st year in service as member of the clinic staff. Modesty aside, I hold the distinction of being the first Diliman Preparatory School alumna to join the school staff in 1993. Homecoming is a tradition of welcoming back alumni of a school. As a member of the DPS Alumni Association, helping out is not only my contribution as an alumna, but also my contribution to the school itself. This reunion will give alumni the experience of looking back to when we were young and how DPS has helped us today.
I'm inviting you all the alumni to see how our school now is a very good promotion for other sports program. Like now we have a lot of sports program, especially for basketball, taekwondo, and our swimming. So, marami-rami tayong mga programang nakahanda dyan. So, ini-encourage ko po kayo na mga alumni na pumunta at hopefully na sana sumuporta sa amin sa mga project namin sa school, particularly dito sa sports. Because we believe that to market our school is to win sa mga tournaments sa mga sinasalihan mo. This time, halos nakikilala na yung school natin as a sports school and academic schools also. So, I thank you and please visit our school, all the alumni, to support also in our activities. Thank you very much.